At 92, Carmen Dell'Orefice is not just growing older, she's growing bolder. With a lifestyle that many of us dream of mastering, her approach to skincare, nutrition, staying active, and embracing her sexuality paints a vibrant picture of life at any age. Join us as we uncover the layers of her age-defying practices. It's more to the story. It's inspiration in motion. Want to keep getting inspired? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications for our latest updates. Diet. Carmen's approach to food is about balance, pleasure, and listening to her body's needs, rather than following restrictive diet trends. Morning start. Carmen Dell'Orefice begins her day in a way that wakes up her body gently and healthily. She drinks a glass of room-temperature water with a squeeze of lemon first thing in the morning. This drink helps her body get ready for the day by cleaning out any toxins and getting her digestive system moving. For breakfast, she enjoys a bowl of yogurt filled with good bacteria that help her stomach stay healthy. She adds blueberries, strawberries, or banana slices on top for extra vitamins and a bit of natural sweetness. This breakfast is not just tasty, but also gives her a lot of energy for her morning activities. Lunch. For lunch, Carmen keeps things light but nutritious. She makes a big salad with lots of different greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These greens are full of nutrients that are good for her health. She throws in some cherry tomatoes for a pop of color and cucumber slices for a refreshing crunch. She dresses her salad with a little bit of olive oil, which is good for her heart. On top of the salad, she adds a piece of grilled salmon or chicken. Salmon is great for omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for her brain and heart health. And chicken is a great source of protein that helps keep her muscles strong. Dinner. Dinner is Carmen's chance to relax and really enjoy her food. She grills a variety of vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and eggplant, which give her lots of vitamins and fiber. She pairs these with a baked sweet potato, which is full of vitamin A for her eyesight and immune system. Alongside, she might have a small piece of beef or a fish fillet. Beef is a good source of iron, which keeps her energy levels up, and fish is light and packed with healthy fats. Carmen believes in eating a little bit of everything, so she gets all the different nutrients her body needs without overdoing it. Drinks and snacks. Water is very important to Carmen. She drinks it all day to make sure she stays hydrated. This helps keep her skin looking good and her body feeling right. But she also loves to have a treat now and then. Her favorite is ice cream. She believes it's okay to have something sweet if you mostly eat healthy foods. It's all about finding the right balance and enjoying life's little pleasures. Exercise with Carmen. Carmen treats exercise as a special time to enjoy what her body can do. It's not just about staying fit, it's about feeling good and happy. Stretching in the morning. Every day starts with Carmen waking up her body with stretches in bed. This is like saying good morning to every part of her body. She gently stretches her arms, legs, and back. This makes her feel loose and ready for the day. It's like a warm-up for her muscles and joints, making sure they work well and don't hurt. Walking. Walking is Carmen's favorite. She likes fast walks in the morning to feel energetic and slow walks in the evening to relax. Walking helps her in many ways. It keeps her heart healthy, makes her muscles strong, and lifts her mood. It's simple, doesn't cost anything, and she can enjoy nature or city sights while doing it. Breathing right. Carmen also pays attention to her breathing. She takes deep breaths on purpose several times a day. This helps her feel calm and gets more oxygen into her body. It's like a mini break for her mind, especially when she's busy or stressed. Breathing right helps her feel peaceful and focused. These exercises show how Carmen takes care of her body and mind. It's all about moving regularly, enjoying the simple things, and taking time to breathe and relax. Skincare. Carmen takes great care of her skin with a few important steps. Hydrating. Carmen makes sure her skin gets lots of moisture. She uses creams both in the morning and at night to keep her skin feeling smooth and soft. These creams help her skin stay healthy by giving it the water it needs. Carmen picks creams that are good for her skin type and makes sure they don't feel too heavy. Protecting from the sun. Carmen never forgets to put on sunscreen before she goes out. The sun can harm her skin, causing wrinkles and dark spots. She uses a sunscreen that's strong enough to protect her skin but gentle, so it doesn't cause irritation. This careful step keeps her skin looking young and stops damage from the sun. Wearing less makeup. Carmen likes to keep her makeup simple. She believes in showing her natural skin instead of covering it up with a lot of makeup. She uses just a little makeup when she needs to, like for special events. This way, her skin can breathe and stay clear. By using less makeup, Carmen makes sure her skin stays healthy and glowing. Carmen's way of taking care of her skin is all about being gentle and protecting it. She hydrates, protects her skin from the sun, and keeps her makeup minimal. This helps her keep her skin looking good and feeling healthy. Embracing sexuality at 92. Carmen talks openly about her experiences with sex, challenging the common view that older people shouldn't talk about or be interested in sex. She sees sex as a key part of connecting with others and staying healthy, much like eating well or getting enough sleep. Her honesty is refreshing and shows that wanting to be close to someone, feeling loved, and being able to express oneself sexually doesn't end as we get older. She promotes the idea that enjoying an active sex life is important for happiness and health at any age. Carmen's perspective offers a new way of thinking about sex as something that adds joy and energy to life, regardless of age. This viewpoint encourages people to understand sex as a natural part of human life that contributes to our overall well-being, helping us feel more alive and connected. Carmen Dell'Orefice's life teaches us that age doesn't define our vitality. With grace and passion, she shows us that embracing each moment makes life truly beautiful. Whether it's her diet, exercise, skincare, or openness about sexuality, Carmen proves that living fully knows no age limits. For more inspiring stories and tips on living your best life, subscribe to our channel. If Carmen's journey has touched you, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to turn on notifications for our newest content.